Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to copy Instagram post caption. So let's start. First, open a browser. Before moving forward, you have to remember that you cannot do this from the Instagram app. So open a browser and log into your Instagram account. Now I'll just quickly search for a post by tapping on the search icon so that I can copy its caption. Let's copy the caption of this post. In order to copy the caption, all you have to do is long press on the caption and then select the whole of the caption. And then tap on copy. And the caption will be copied to your clipboard. Just like that, you can copy any caption you want. You can also copy long captions like this. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.